This is a quick tutorial on your ShorTee on how to disassemble this base so that you can fix the micro adjuster. It's really simple. You grab a 3mm Allen wrench and a small flathead screwdriver. I've already taken these screws out. You're basically taking these 4 and the other 4. These magnets just leave alone. Right here, just leave those alone. So you'll loosen these up until you can lift this up. Now, let me explain this before repairing this. Okay, we have this lever right here, which you turn clockwise and it goes up. This is what picks up the whole platen. Okay, so if your knob right here is loose to the point like this, what you could do is just make sure you hold this part and twist. If this whole micro adjuster is completely loose, then the problem is in this area. There is this spacer that has an area for you to fit a flathead screwdriver in. So it's basically why I'm using this flathead screwdriver, is just to tighten it. Okay, so this only happens when you adjust too much, either too tight or too loose, but you can fix this by just tightening this spacer here. It has to be tight in there. So you can loosen this micro adjuster or tighten it. So that it finally adjusts. See how it's going down? I've done this a little bit too much. The trick is just to make the spacer tight enough so that this doesn't get too loose. So as long as you can do that, this will fix your issue. Now, if for some reason there's something that has malfunctioned completely, what you can do is use this emergency stop. So basically you can pick up the platen to a certain point, turn clockwise, and make sure that it's nice and tight, and it will leave the platen secure so that you can at least get through your jobs until any spare parts come directly to you that are shipped from us. So anyhow, we can put this back together. This is repaired. I can now screw everything back. Just make sure that when you do that, make sure that this lever is lowered, and then you can just make sure that this is seated on properly, where it's nice and level, and then screw everything back very tight. Don't over screw, but make sure it's tight enough. Anyhow, if you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call, drop us an email. Thanks for watching.